Welcome to my channel. My name is Avajit Chakki and today's topic is support system. 2D plane support. What are the direction we are considering in a 2D plane? The delta x, which is the displacement in x direction, delta y, which is deflection in y direction, and a rotational, which is perpendicular to the xy plane given by this z. Now, for the fixed support, in fixed support, there are three reactions acting on it. Rx, which is the horizontal reaction in x direction, Ry, which is the vertical reaction in y direction, and the Mz, which is the resisting moment acting in a direction perpendicular to the xy plane. So total external reaction is given by, which is Re for fixed support, is 3. So what are those? Rx, Ry, Mz. For hinge support, there are only two. Now this is a symbol of hinge support, as well as this. There are two reactions acting on it. One is the horizontal reaction, Rx, one is the vertical reaction, Ry. And similarly, for this case also, total external reaction is Re is given by 2, which is Rx and Ry. For roller support, only one reaction is acting on it, which is the vertical reaction, Ry. Now this is a symbol of roller support, as well as this is also the symbol of roller support. So total external reaction in a roller support is 1, which is Ry, only vertical direction. Now this is a special case and it's very important for examination such as GATE and ESE examination. It is the guided roller or the double roller. Now in this case, this particular roller support, we can see that the horizontal movement in x direction is permitted. So it can move about the x direction in this particular case, and it is restrained along the vertical direction, so its movement in vertical direction is restricted by Ry, and also Mz is the resisting moment which is not allowing this W roller to rotate. Similarly, this is also an example of guided roller support. Here in this case, only vertical system is allowed. Vertical displacement is allowed. Horizontal displacement is restricted, as well as rotation is also restricted. So total external reaction for this case will be 2, either Rx or Ry and Mz. Now for 3D support, only 3 supports are required: fixed, hinge and roller. Total external reaction is Re, which is 6. Reaction along X, reaction along Y, reaction along Z. If you see this diagram, displacement along X direction is prohibited. Similarly, displacement along Y direction is prohibited, and displacement along Z direction is prohibited. So Rx, Ry and Rz. Now, what are the resisting moment? Here Mx is the resisting moment resisting the particular rotation along the x-axis, which is perpendicular to the yz plane. Similarly, My is the moment resisting moment resisting the rotation about y-axis, which is perpendicular to the xz plane. Similarly, Mz is the resisting rotational moment which resists the rotation along z-axis, which is perpendicular to the xy plane. For hinge support, only and only horizontal and vertical, lateral and transverse movement are restricted. No rotational movement is restricted. Rx, Ry, Rz. Horizontal displacement along x direction, vertical displacement along y direction. Similarly, horizontal displacement along z direction. For roller, only one. It is either Rx or Ry or Rz. Here the deflection or displacement. Delta x is the displacement in x direction, delta y is the displacement in y direction, delta z displacement in z direction. Theta x is the displacement in a direction perpendicular to yz plane. Theta y is the displacement in a direction perpendicular to the plane xz. Theta z displacement in a direction perpendicular to the plane xy. These are the conditions for support reaction. When horizontal as well as vertical displacement are allowed, then their value cannot be zero. So there won't be any reaction acting on them. If horizontal vertical displacement are not allowed, then those will be zero. In that case, a reaction will act on them in their respective direction. This goes same for the rotation. If theta is allowed in a particular direction, then along that particular direction a resisting moment will not act, so it will be zero. Similarly, if theta is not allowed, then a reaction or a resisting moment will be acting on it. 2D internal joints. A. Internal hinge. This particular point C is an internal hinge, and moment in an internal hinge is always zero. So at internal hinge, moment or the bending moment will be zero. An internal hinge provides one additional equilibrium for structure. B. Internal roller. When an internal roller is present inside a continuous beam, this is an internal roller as well as this, so as this, then moment or bending moment will not be zero. Internal link. In this particular diagram, AB and CD are connected with an internal link BC, and point B and C are hinge. What is the property here? Link carrying axial force only. Shear force and bending moment are zero for combined internal hinge and internal roller. Point A is a hinge, end hinge. Point C is an internal roller. Point D is an internal hinge, and point B is roller or end roller. Now at point D, suppose at all internal hinge, moment will be zero. So this is point D. At all internal roller, which is point C, summation of moment will be zero. So this is point C. At all hinge and end roller, moment will be zero at A and B. That's it for today. Thank you for watching.